Tiffany, do spiders sneeze?
I think so.
Huh. Well, that's because the cobwebs down here.
Bobby, help Swimmer.
I don't want to help him.
He needs help.
I'm doing something in my room right now.
Okay, Bobby.
Lucky fucker, surprise your skin. I don't have any.
Can you shut up down there? I'm focusing on something. I am focusing really hard on something right now.